Nobody, me no poor. Me no blood clot poor.
So, Jerry, why you feel cause bad one and be something tell about bad one?
Say black people. So I depend on the liquor shop man. Batty for your shilling. Go suck your mother. You're no batty boy. Come out here. Somebody for the court man, batty boy. Come on, feel away. Me just this up that little idiot, little imperial pussy here. Video me. Hey, yo, you must have to me say yo. Actually, guy. You have me things them for choose still no bigger. You know say I choose yo.
Yeah, you have them. You have them. You tell me this one say have them.
You the man have me yo.
Me and your friend you have them.
Yo, you're poison, you're like, yo, you're weird bum buck like. You love flying parade. You love blend. Alright, big up, let's do big up. Just hold it, man. Just say nothing, man. I can't make it that.
So what about the ripe one?
The ripe one, Shirley. The green one, the power.
Bumboras clot.
If you think I joke, near me, I will tell me I think I joke, near me. If Coxon will kill your ass, 20 months.
The cut there's a teeth so galang so.
You got me a keep 20 months and go around.
So where get blue balls? There you go.
Blue balls, what do you mean by blue balls?
When you cock a hat, when you want pussy, you get none.
How do you have to do a back your feet?
Bumboras clot and you go down.
Yes, back your feet. That's all you have to do. Pray me and make a picture.
Pray me.
Pray me.
Bumbo.
Make a picture. Sometimes you want to take a picture and get wife in.
Pray me bumbo clot.
Pray me and make a picture.
Make a picture. You don't have pussy clot, brother. I best. I lose you another.
Nobody, me no poor. Me no blood clot poor.
So, Jerry, why you feel cause bad one and be something tell about bad one?
Say black people.
So, what me tell you about the bad one?
Black people are squalor people. And them are squatters.
What me tell you about the bad one?
Suck on a mother one. Peace.
Marley.
Hey, they are jumping fuck off with you, you know. They are jumping with the blood clot. I need to mash up this blood clot.
Them say enough about Donald Trump because you're not going to get a US visa.
Me want go to US. Me don't want to go to US, you know. US, where you... US have got my body. We are going to the man, the man says stay on the yard. The man says stay on a blood clot yard. The whole of the man go on a place to fix it up. And come out of my blood clot place. And that Donald Trump, so I don't understand. We are going to go to Canada. Every time I go over to Europe.
But them say you enough to talk about it because you're not going to get it.
You can't blood clot tell me that. Because I'm a politician. Hey, when name dictator fanatic, all the president you get for Uno, I don't want nobody know him. Hey, you know, me a Camelot. Me a Camelot, me a King Arthur, me a knight of the brown table, me a black knight. So I'm telling you something. We are slave lady, right? We're under the crown. The clothes that I have on mine, that is all of my skin on mine, a Christian places. And them kill the son of blood clot God. And them daughters them, you know who start kill them off? I don't eat the hype man and Mussolini. Kilo juice blood clot God to kill Christ. And them so far and drop in Israel by European.
Catch breath. You clean though, baby, me not lie.
Style over fashion, elephant man thing.
Oh, so elephant man you copy?
Yeah, elephant man, yeah, me a copy. Just style over fashion, I guess so now. You know over there? Mr. Rocksteady. Mr. Rocksteady.
So, no one of the people know say your new name is Marley.
I have a new name that, you know.
Just one
I'm an original name.
So,
Bob Marley grew me, you know. The prophet Bob Marley grew it.
Just listen,
From
Marley. So, your name on the net is Marley. So, one of the people know say your name is Marley.
Hey.
So,
you know Bob Marley
no more Jerome, no more Jerry.
Rocksteady.
It's Marley.
Channel. Don't say not to come yet. There I am, an idol. Ken Boot, I'm
Make them know say Marley and him. So
Marley, yo! We are going with Bob Marley, but Bob Marley, the Radix, you know.
So after today, it's Marley.
You see me love song them?
Just listen up. After today, it's Marley.
Well, after today, it's Marley. I'm my original name, you know. Marley, you know.
So more people know say them call you Marley?
Yeah, because I'm Marley. I used to play Marley, yo. I thought Marley and Soul, my soul regular, you know. Come check Dickie, Mooney, Stereograph,
So
Daddy Rice.
So Marley change Mali
Me
change.
name no change, man. Me have, hey. I name a goddamn.
No, me tell him, say.
Where they call me Marley.
Yeah, me-
Marley from me young from me and 6. Me know
Yeah.
about Marley.
Yes, so Mali and new
Hey,
name.
Marley is a prophet, you know. Everything
he's a
Marley
prophet?
say, yeah, Marley is a prophet
No, me I
because
say use a prophet.
Marley, that me.
No, me I say you. So why you name Mali then?
Because me like Bob Marley, we will come to Mooney and Dickie.
So to them, I want to see him and say Mali. Me don't want to call him the other name.
I used to play a game where I pick the Marley, yo.
Me and you never have nothing.
Who my guy with them? And me prove a point to them. Show you.
No man.
I mean, no, we are going so far. We are going so far, sir.
Me never have nothing yet.
Then we are going so far.
So with a bumbo crack, I can't have things to
A
remember.
pussy you take me for mine, you make me cut off your pussy clot neck in a dog.
They are cut him, man. Cut him. Teacher. I can't believe Tuya.
Puma.
I'm gonna worst thing in my life. Tuya.
Puma.
I see man coming, sir. And call
Then
me.
we are call man, go man, come back here so I make me box you in a pussy hole.
Tuya can't box me.
Then where you know,
If
Puma?
me know say you're not going to do that, you could never touch me.
Alright, you want me to do it again?
How you mean?
Then come now.
You don't love that.
Alright, see me move.
I mean, some coming and stop from.
You want me to come on and come back to you? Yes, I know. You want me to come on there? You know why me not come on there?
Theater, pull it and come.
It all shows that me do pussy
Pull
clap.
the bomb box here and come now.
Well, like you never argue with Tuya.
After me and Tuya now nothing.
Alright, done.
Yeah, the man. If Tuya come right round there, so right now, man, broke up every bone in her body. Like that.
I want to drive
Every
the
bone.
blood.
Every fucking bone. Like that. After me and Tuya now. Me and Tuya friends. Love me no man.
Me nah doing nothing, man. Come back there. Me nah doing nothing.
Me and him
I
are
am
not.
good man.
Me and him are not. You know.
Me say me
The
nah
man
doing
would
nothing.
have called me so. And the man box me and my feet.
Yeah, batty big.
A battle slut.
Okay.
Big slut. Yeah, me I tell you.
Wild cut and sing.
Hey, big shit. Let me tell you something. You see me and touch me. Problem, yeah. Big problem. Problem. I mean every man. The mad. Oh.
I want drop pussy drop on you. I want drop on your blood clot, make you get 30 under your pussy hole. 30.
Come and carry your own. You want me to carry your own?
Yeah, man,
Me have no problem with Tuya. I don't know why Tuya come from me.